Hi you guys, welcome to my channel Nick Elegance. And I'm super excited because this is the first ever vlog on this channel, and that too it's a travel vlog. And if you're from my Instagram, you already know that it's Dubai. So yeah. Can't wait to take you guys through the trip with me. So, an explanation for how I look. So, basically, we've been traveling for 24 plus hours now, me and my mom. So, please excuse us for the way we look right now. But watch out for all the OOTDs that we both have planned. Keeping that aside, so it's currently 9th of November, and we just landed on the Abu Dhabi International Airport. We are waiting for our taxi guy. So he'll take us to the hotel and drum rolls please for the hotel. Like, you look at it like yourself. That is all for the room, you guys. We're actually really tired right now, so we're just gonna doze off and ignore my hair and catch you guys tomorrow morning from day one onwards. Yay. Good night. Hi you guys. We had breakfast. We're all fresh and ready in my OOTD for day one. And this is how I look. And this is my OOTD for day one. We are actually leaving for Yas Mall right now. We have to get some stuff figured out, like SIM cards and all. And after that, we're going to explore the whole Yas Island. And we have Warner Bros. Studios scheduled after that. I'm really looking forward to it because it's all your childhood dreams in a place. So yeah, let's go. We are currently in the Yas Express. It takes you to Yas Plaza, W Hotel, Ferrari World, Yas Mall, Yas Water World, and Warner Bros. So if you're planning to stay in Yas Island, you're sorted for the whole transportation thing. We are currently going to Warner Bros.
Yes.
So yeah, that is that. Whole place inside the Warner Bros. It's a vibe. It's like Disneyland, some another world, some another place. This does not feel like a real world at all. And I swear I want to live here. Like, just leave me here. I mean, look at the sky. Look at the sky. It's a dreamland. And I'm in love.
Scan complete. Candidates recognized.
We've been taking rides back and forth, and this is the Cartoon Junction, and it's so beautiful, bright, colory, vibrant. Just came out of the most amazing fun ride. It was not like no, but it was very spooky and we had a lot of fun. Look at this. So we are about to exit this Warner Bros. Studio, and this was it for the half of our day. Let's see what we have for the other half. Hi, you guys. So we came back to the hotel and we're just gonna chill for a while and lie down and relax. Because trips are also about relaxing and not just like vlogging and exploring. So gonna do that part for now, and we'll catch you guys as soon as we start or as soon as we do something fun. I was just chilling in the room and then I was like, why not go and see how the pool is? So I just casually came up and saw this beauty. Oh my god, this is everything one can dream about for a swimming pool. Like, oh my god, honestly sit here like kitni bhi der I can sit here. I'm just in heaven right now. Just got done with our breakfast and I'm all ready in my OOTD for day 2. I'm actually gonna show you my outfit now. Since it's Ferrari World and I wanted to be comfortable for the rides, I'm wearing this very basic loose t-shirt from the men's section in Zara. We are at the Ferrari World right now. We just entered and there are so many rides. We have such a short span of time, but there is so much to cover, so I don't know how we're gonna do it, but let's see. Look at these cute little Ferraris. Sharp red color. The best part about Yas Island is कि यहाँ पे सब कुछ इतना पास है. Like ये सामने ही Warner Bros है. Right now I'm walking in Ferrari World. So we're done with the major rides now, and lucky us, today is ladies night at Ferrari World. So we're gonna experience that and let's see how it goes.